So this is the part of the class always that people don't like. And why? Because these are things that you have to straight up memorize. So we have some common names there, some chemical names, and some chemical formulas. Now, a few comments about that. One, some of them are hidden in your data booklet, and they are hidden on page 5, okay, in this like standard heats of formation of selected compounds kind of chart. So some of those may appear there. If they are ones that you really need to memorize, the best way to do that would be to have flashcards. Now, lots of people don't use flashcards correctly, so I just want to take this time in order to talk to you guys about using flashcards. So one, going through each and every flashcard every single time is a waste of your time, so don't do that. So what I would do if I were you is I would look at the common name and the chemical formula. Those are the two areas that you need to focus on. So I would put, common name on one side, chemical formula on the other, and I would go through and make actually 2 of each, because I want to be able to not only test myself if I see the common name and be able to tell me what the formula is, but also if I see the formula and be able to test me what the common name is. So I need to have 1 of each one and facing different directions. Now, I would not have these back to back because obviously that's going to give me a leg up for the second one, so you want to make sure that you for sure shuffle them around. Now, next part is when using a flashcard, you need to make sure to do the following. So I would, read, for example, alcohol, and if I could not tell you exactly the chemical formula on the back of that particular card, then that one needs to go in the same orientation behind me. Now, if, for example, I saw antifreeze and I could tell you the chemical formula for that one, I would then kind of stick it upwards like this so it was sticking out. And then as I kind of went through, maybe some of them I got, maybe some of them I didn't get. And then what I would do is when I reached one of these ones that was sticking up, I would just skip it and go to the next one that's still facing down. And I would work on that pile until I eventually got them all standing up. In order to indicate to me that I know the entire list, okay? Now, don't just throw your flashcards away. These are great things to use, for example, before tests or final exams.